Welcome everyone to our latest video blog, April. And if you open our daily word for March and April and go to the back page, you'll see the our adverts for the retreats. Last year we didn't have any retreats, but this year we are back to our retreats program, which many of you will know about already. There are two retreats. There's one in May, coming up not so many weeks. Expect a Miracle, and one in August in Pearly Chase. The first one is in the Briery Retreat. So the question I'm asking myself for this video blog is, what is it about retreats? What do retreats do over and above classes and so on and so forth? So what is it about a retreat that's so wonderful? And I speak from experience. I think retreats are wonderful, but what is it about retreats that are wonderful?
Is that an over to Kimerie?
That's an over to Kimerie.
Okay, well, I mean, my first response to that is I can talk about retreats, but if you go to the website on our retreat page, there is feedback from there from people who have experienced retreats and what it's like. It's a bit like unity in a hug, I think. But that we always choose places that are relaxing, that hold us, that look after us really well. So the food and the environment is very supportive. So that as we come together, we can hold that lovely unity energy of prayer. There's meditation. There's lots of laughter and fun times as well. And a real sharing of ideas and practices that we all get something out of, even us that are at the front, get something out of it. But it's that energy of having a hug in unity that we've missed so much over the years. And I think it's really time to get back into that, to be with other people. We keep the costs as low as we possibly can. We hardly charge anything for our bit that we add to the event so that we can encourage as many as possible to be there. So if you can come, we really invite you to do that. If it can only be as a day guest and you can't stay the night, but you live locally and you want to come and experience it for a day, we're up for that as well.
They're very special places, aren't they?
They are lovely places.
Yes, because that's the other thing, going to somewhere new and experiencing a different landscape, a different environment.
Yes, the Briery Retreat Centre is run by nuns, so there's a wonderful energy there. They have a lovely church chapel that we use. And also it's very close to the hills. You can just walk up and you're in the hills and the countryside of Yorkshire. Pearly Chase is first for us, but it comes highly recommended from our Birmingham group. And they know about us because Unity Birmingham have been there several times. So I'm looking forward to that as a new place to go to. But yes, imagine yourself being hugged. That's what an retreat is.
Okay, so it's there in your daily word. And if you don't take daily word, it's on the website.
Yes. Go to retreats and you'll find it all there. And we look forward to sharing one of the events or both of the events. We have some coming to both the events with all of you.
Great, lovely. Well, that's something to think about to inspire you, I hope. And we'll see you again soon.
Yes, don't delay. Book your place today.
That has a little rhyme. Okay, all the very best to you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.